Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to make screen font bigger in Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus phone. Where to look for screen font options. So first of all, we need to open our phone settings. Then in settings, we're looking for accessibility options menu. Then at the top, version enhancements. And on this list, we're looking for font size and style. Here we have font options with example at the top how it will change during our showing here. So we can make our font much bigger. This is the max. Also we can make it bolder if we want to. And that's pretty much it. We can also change the font style if we need to, and we can also download more. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.